Hello, today's video is all about growing patterns, particularly about the additive pattern blocks. Basically, we are going to learn how the pattern blocks are added each time in the growing pattern and how to predict the number of blocks in the next pattern. So let's go. This is the first pattern block in the pattern series. Now the second one, then the third one. With the three pattern numbers here in the series, we need to find the fourth pattern. The thing is, we need to find the total number of triangles for this pattern number 4. Let me reiterate this with an example. Let's say here in pattern number 2, we can see there are a total of 9 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright? All together the white and the blue together, it's 9. We need to know the total number of triangles for this pattern number 4. Let's start diagnosing the pattern. This is the first pattern number. As you can see, I have listed a big table here with the pattern numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and the second column is about the number of white triangles found here, and the third column is going to be the blue triangles in total, and finally I'm going to add the white and the blue triangles and I'm going to put it in the last column. Alright, so for the pattern number 1, how many white triangles you have? You have 1 white and you have 3 blue. So I have represented this like this. So what will be the total? It is 1 plus 3, 4. Alright. Now the pattern number 2. Here I have listed it. So how many white triangles are there? As you can see, there are 3 white. And how many blue triangles are there? So when you count, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So alright, you have 6 blue triangles. And now the total of these two makes it 9. Okay, let's move to the third pattern, pattern number 3. So how many white triangles you have? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's going to be 6 white. And the total number of blue triangles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so this is going to be 10 blue triangles and the total makes it 16. Fine. So I've listed out separately white and blue triangles and we have a total of the number of triangles found in each pattern number. Now our task is to find the fourth pattern number. Alright, so what do you see? Do you see a pattern here in the white triangle? Yes. It's a sequence where you add one more each time to get the next term. Say I add 1 and I add 2 to this 1, so I get 3. Next time I add one more to this 2, so it becomes 3, right? So 3 plus 3, it's 6. Now since I've added 3, I'm adding one more to that added term, which it becomes 4. So now 6 and a 4 is 10. Alright, so I have added 2 here to get 3 and next I have added 3 here to get 6. So next time I should add 4 to this number so that I get 6 and a 4 makes it 10. Alright, so I can see the sequence here. Each time I need to add one more to the term to get the next term. So now to get the number of white triangles in pattern number 4, you need to add 4, right? So 6 and a 4 makes 10. So the number of white triangles should be 10 in the pattern number 4. Alright. Now let's find the pattern in the blue triangle. So as you can see, there is a pattern and that pattern is same as that of the white triangle. It has the same sequence, adding one more each time to get the nth term. So as you can see, I added 3. 3 and a 3 makes 6. Alright, same way 6 and a 4 makes 10. So the sequence, the added number is getting more. Now I'm going to make it 5. Alright, since 3, 4, 5. Alright, so 10 and a 5 makes it 15. So to find the blue triangles in pattern 4, this should be adding to 5. So 10 and a 5 added to get the blue triangles in the pattern number 4. So 10 plus 5 is 15. So 15 triangles, blue triangles are there in pattern number 4. So with this we can find the total triangles, which is 25. 10 and the 15 together, you get 25. Alright. So as of now we have found the total number of triangles, which should be 25. Let's check if it is the same number in the figure as well. Okay, when you count, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 white and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 blue triangles are there. Yeah. Alright. Well, now we need to find the formula to describe the total number of triangles in the nth pattern. So now we have found the fourth pattern. What if I say we need to find the pattern number 10? How many number of total triangles are there in pattern 10? So to find this, let's assume n to be the pattern number. Alright. So if n is the pattern number, then the formula to describe the total number of triangles in the pattern is this. Nth pattern is n times n plus 1 plus n plus 1. Alright. So let's check out this formula if it is true for the pattern number 3. Alright. I'm going to do this for pattern number 3. As you can see, the n is going to be 3. Okay. So I'm going to find whether I get 16 in the formula. Alright. So this n is going to be 3 here. So since n is 3, n plus 1 will be 4. So this is going to be 3 times 4 within the brackets. Alright. And then you add, what is n? N is 3. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Alright. So as per the BODMAS rule, we are going to do the thing that is found in the brackets here. So this is going to be 3 times 4, 12, and then you add the 4 together to get 16, and 16 is the total number of triangles that you find in the third pattern. Alright, so this is how we found, and we can make sure that it's the same. So this is the formula to find the nth pattern, be it whatever number n is.